Air blowing technique. Drop a few drops of different watercolors on the egg. Take a straw and blow air through it on the droplets. In no time, these droplets will give a design like this. Isn't it easy? Dal pasting. To complete this activity, we will use different kinds of dal. First, paste yellow colored dal on the mouth of the pot. Then, you should paste it on the middle portion of the pot. Now, paste black colored dal on the rest of the parts. See what a beautiful picture it has become just by pasting dal. Wash technique. Today, we will use wash technique to complete this picture. First, trace your tree with oil pastel colors. Once you have completed tracing, apply watercolors at the background to show land and sky. When the sheet gets dry, the figure will look like this. Your picture is ready. Doesn't it look attractive?